Honorable Vice
Mr. Chair?
President, before I recognize you, would you like to take your oath?
No.
Grabe, dyan na naman sila sa
I will
oath
only
thing nila.
recognize you if you will take your oath.
Okay.
Please
Yan!
administer the oath to the Honorable Vice President.
Yan!
Your
Take
Honor,
ng oath.
Please raise your right
Grabe.
hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry, so help you God? Yeah, oath has been administered, Your Honors.
Yan.
Thank you. I
Gusto
will
ko sila
recognize
mag-take
you
ng
now,
oath
Honorable Vice President.
para
Yes.
what? Gigisahin ka.
Mr.
Ngayon,
Chair,
matapang
the
na si
position
Vice
of
Presidente.
Undersecretary
Go, go, Sarah.
and Assistant Secretaries and other appointed
Now she's allowed.
positions are positions of trust and confidence by the appointing authority. The resignation letters of the USEX and the ASEX of DepEd were accepted by the appointing authority. And who is that? Mr. Chair. The President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Yes.
Galit na!
It is not the Secretary of the Department of Education. So you ask the President of the Republic of the Philippines why he accepted the resignation of the USEX and the ASEX.
Tagal nila
What is the point, Honorable Vice President?
Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, bakit nyo kine-question ang due process?
Tama!
Tanungin nyo ang appointing authority, bakit niya tinanggap ang resignation letter?
Oh, see?
Madam Vice President,
Yes, sir.
we will, wala pa po tayo dun sa usapin na yun.
Sa anong usapin,
Later
sir?
po sa binabanggit po ninyo.
Saan?
Wala pa po
Content na
tayo
naman.
sa period of interpellation.
Nagkanta naman kayo ng
Bubuksan
5
ko pa
days.
lamang po ang period of interpellation.
Yes, sir. Nandun na kayo sa topic. Hindi po tayo nag-i-interpellation.
Madam
ngayon.
Vice President, nag-uusap po muna ang mga miyembro.
Yes,
So,
sir.
please do respect yung
Yes,
mga...
I am very respectful. I am dovetailing from Congressman Marcoleta. The appointing authority is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Why are you questioning due process in a discussion of resignation of USEX and ASEX?
Wala pa pong nagtatanong about that, Madam Vice President.
Sir, kinontempt nyo
Madam-
na Sir, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process.
Madam Vice President,
Sir,
Nililihis nila yung kuhan. Ayaw nilang
nasa loob
mag-kuhan sa mga ganyan.
ng detention ang tao because you question due process. Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Nasaan?
Madam Vice
Tinanong
President,
kita kanina. I'm sorry, sir. Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo
pa po-
alam.
Hindi pa po ako nagsumasagot.
Hindi mo. Nakita kita, sumagot. Camera.
Bistado!
Kita kita sumagot. Sinabi mo,
Mr.
Secretary.
Chairman, motion to
Hindi
suspend.
nyo alam
Ayun
lahat.
na, yung alipunan.
One
Na
minute,
ang
President.
nag-a-appoint
One
ay
minute
President.
suspension.
Oo, yun na.
Declared by the chair.
Suspension agad. Pag di na nila masagot yung mga tanong, suspension agad. Tapos yung alipures, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Na, ganyan yan sila, ganyan yan sila. Kaya kung sila yung mabigyan ng matinding tanong, mag-point of order agad, tapos mag-suspension na agad, tapos yung alipures, iiba yung topics. Ganoon naman yan sila. Pag ikaw yung tinatarget, walang ibang topics. Ganoon. Kaya, I salute you, Miss Inday Sara, Mrs. Inday Sara. I salute you for being there and taking an oath para makapagsalita ka. Kasi kung hindi, they will never allow you to speak. Bulol na ako sa ewan ko, sa galit at excitement. Ayan, yung si Joel Chua na yan. Grabe din yan. Can you imagine, i-transfer mo yung non-convicted attorney yan, non-convicted
Mr. Chair,
attorney
respectfully,
na i-transfer
the
sa
personnel of the Office
convicted
of the Vice
facilities.
President want to sit with me.
Mamatay yan doon. Ba't ganun? Contempt
Yes.
order, 5 days lang.
Sir,
You are responsible for it. Kasi kayong nag-contempt. Ngayon, itatransfer nyo sa convicted facilities. andun yung mga kriminal doon, mga drugarista, mga... Ay! Of course, they don't care about it. Bakit? Gusto nilang mamatay yung tao para wala nang witness. Now, I found out through some news nga yung peklat pala ni Inday Sara dito sa Leeg. It was a failed assassination attempt. Pero never niya ni-discuss yan, never niya isinupubliko yan. But because napuno na siya, grabe yung pagiging sa kanya. Now, she mentioned about it. Kasi may nagtanong din. Galit na si Bullstar. Galit yung Bullstar. Mga lipores, oh. Sabi nila, Cardema, go Cardema. Sabi ng mga lipores yan, away lang kayo, dito kami, nabayaran na kami. Walang problema na yan sa amin, kahit ano pa. We are here to persecute you. Eh, kung hindi kami bigyan ng time na magtanong, that's fine, we already
Committee
paid.
resumes.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
May I be allowed?
Yes, Madam Vice
Yes.
President.
you need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the president why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair. Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Tama. Ayaw nila.
Congressman ako.
Ayaw nila mag...
Madam Vice President, if you
Ayan na
have
naman
any
si-
question in so
Ay!
far as the actions of this committee
Ang sarap
are concerned,
tutukin.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Sir, I will go to court.
Opo, pero
Oo,
that is
pero
your-
araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty
Tama.
while I await.
That is precisely the point, ma'am.
Oh, the
If
point.
our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin natin yung batas
Kaya
dito
nga,
sa
sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa
Sundin.
bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung
Ayun,
batas.
logical lang tanong.
Why
ang
will
sagot
you
ko.
penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the president?
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee as a whole. Sana po respetuhin po ninyo.
I keep on telling this.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong
Okay.
remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Acop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief.
Yan naman
Okay,
sila.
sige, sir.
Yan.
Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President.
Oh,
With all due respect,
walang
Yes.
kredibilidad yung
Congressman,
House of Representative na yan.
I move that we
Deputy
Yung mga
strike-
tao
Speaker.
dyan, puros
Yeah, I
bayaran,
move
mga
we strike
crocodile.
Councilman last comment
Kaya,
said about
wala
the House of
nang
Representatives.
maniniwala
I
sa
don't
inyo.
think that is warranted, neither is it fair to make statements such as that. So move, Mr. Chair.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
And Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
may
Congressman
we
Dan
remind all
Fernandez.
the resource persons to address the chairman kasi nakakawala po ng respeto sa committee na to kung hindi po natin i-address ang chairman. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Salita ang
Thank
Gold
you.
Star.
We will now continue to the next item in our agenda. We will now proceed.
Ay, nako. Anyway, comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!